Hi, Professor Richard here. Do we ever have stories from students? Problems dealing with bosses and coworkers, inability to concentrate and be productive at work, insecurities and shyness that cause lost opportunities, poor communication skills that lead to unresolved conflicts. Well, I'd like to tell you there's a way to be better in situations like this. A way to develop the skill set and knowledge that will help you maximize your talents and make a meaningful contribution to the world. Because the reasons you have challenges like this lie inside you, in your perfectionism that doesn't like looking at mistakes, in inadequate communication skills, in your inability to deal with others. And this is all the stuff our conflict management post-grad course can help you with. It's really important knowledge, founded in psychology, philosophy, and metaphysics. You see, all our courses are based on the science of Norberto Keppe and Claudia Pacheco, founders of our trilogical colleges, and they've successfully worked with tens of thousands of people around the world. And they can help you. Join us. We'll help you develop true self-knowledge, improve your ability to express yourself, and help you finally fulfill that special purpose you feel inside, the reason for your life. We'll see you in the classroom.